Hello everyone, it's Dan here from WordPress Support. In this video I'm just going to take you through the theme options available within Stack for WordPress. Okay, so as with all our themes, we've given you a load of options you can choose from to really take control. To get to these options you can go to Customize in the admin bar, or within your dashboard you can go to Appearance and Customize. Now, as you can see, we've got quite a lot to choose from here, as there is quite a lot to the theme, but it's all fairly straightforward. We've broken things down just to make things a bit more easy to control. Okay, so to begin with, if we start from the top, we've got the Site Identity options. These are a default option for WordPress, where you can set the title, tagline, as well as your favicon. Below this we've got the colour controls, so you can change things from the accent colour as well as of the body colours, etc. So you can really fit your brand if you're looking to change the colour scheme or design at all. Below this we've got the default background image option, as well as the options for controlling menus and widgets. I personally prefer to do these from the dedicated admin areas under Appearance in your dashboard. Below this we've got the additional CSS area, which if you are looking to make some bigger changes to the styling of the theme, or if you're a developer and you're adding certain features, you can use that to keep your CSS nice and safe. Under the global site settings you can turn the breadcrumbs which show across a lot of pages, you can turn them off entirely. In the header settings we've got the layout, which controls the header layout for the whole site. We will go into detail, but these can be overridden on a per page basis, so if you're looking to change to have, say, one particular page which is a centered header, you can do that via the overrides, but we will go over that in another video. Below this we've got the logo option, so you can upload your own dark and light logos. I would suggest to do both, as different areas show different colours, so it gives it some nice contrast. And you've also got the header social icons you can set up as well, so if you're looking to share or get followers on your particular networks, this is where you can put them nice and bold in certain navigation styles. And below this, some of the navigation styles also show extra areas and buttons. This is where you can control that just as you wish. Below this we've got the advanced styling settings, which we will go into in a separate detail. This is where you can start controlling the fonts and a few more intricate details for the typography of the site, as well as the menu styling and things as well, but we will go through that in another video. It's a bit too deep for this one. Below this we've got the blog settings. You've got a couple of options here. You can activate and deactivate several parts of the single blog post, so if you don't want your blog post to show sharing buttons, you can turn that off. If you want to remove the related posts, then that can all be done here. And then you've got the blog archive layout, which is how you want your blog page to look, which is of course controlled by WordPress, so you couldn't use Visual Composer or anything. Team settings, you can control the title for your team archive page, as well as the layout in terms of columns. Portfolio archive settings, again you can control the title for the page as well as the layout for your items. Career, once again we can add our own custom title and add an extra bit of text to the call to action, so if you've got a particular item you want to promote, you can pop it there. If you're using WooCommerce, you'll see the Sharp archive settings, where again you can give it a particular title as well as choose your layout. And we've got the footer settings, which are a bit like the header. You can control the layout on a per page basis, but here is where you set the footer layout for the entire site in one go. And again, if you're using the subscribe footer style, you can pop your forms shortcode in there. And again, if you're using one of the relevant styles, you can customize the footer texts as well as the social icons as you wish. And finally, if you're looking to use the Instagram block provided with the theme, then you will need to use this Instagram access area, where you can pop in your own settings. We do have some instructions that you can follow. Okay, so that's the theme options for Stack. I hope this video has been useful. If you do have any more questions, do come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.